Hi, welcome to my channel. Last video I have taught you about total debtors account. Today in this we will be studying about format of total creditors account along with the bills payable. Okay, so same way, total creditor is nothing but a liability. It's a credit balance. Okay, so debtors we start with to balance brought on by balance carried on. Here we are going to start with by balance brought on to balance carried on. Okay, so here by purchases account. Okay, so next we have it like when you're making any paid purchases, that is called credit purchases. So next, if you're paying a cash, creditor means you have to supposed to pay to the supplier. If you're paying any cash, to cash account. If you're paying in a check, you're going to write to bank account. Okay, so if any bills payable honored, like bills payable you're accepting, okay, you have to pay the amount you draw with the debtor creditor have drawn a bill on you, so that you are going to bills payable, you have to pay, right? So bills payable, so their discount allowed, here discount received. So to by balance brought on to balance carried on. Okay, so here if checks are dishonored, you're going to write checks received, checks you paid, if it got bounced, you're going to write in the opposite side. Bills payable you accepted, but if got bounced, you didn't pay the amount on time, so we'll write by bills payable account. Okay, so once again I'll say by balance brought on to balance carried on over. So purchases you have to make only credit purchases. Okay, this three things first important. If you're paying a cash, you have to write cash. If you're paying to the creditor in the form of a check, you have to write. Okay, if you are receiving any bills, if your bills are accepted, you have to write here. If your discount received, you are going to everything you have to write in the credit side. Okay, bounce means you have to write here, dishonored means you have to write here. If check bounce, you have to write by bank account check dishonored. You don't have sufficient amount, it got bounced, so by bank account the check dishonored. If you didn't pay that bills on time, by bills payable dishonored. Okay, this one and this one we're going to transfer to the bills payable account. Okay, we'll see here also bills payable is nothing but a bills payable is nothing but a creditors. It is a credit balance liability. Okay, it's a liability, it's a credit balance. You have to write by balance brought on to balance carried on. Okay, so if you're paying specifically, you are paying to the bills payable account. If you're paying in the form of cash, you write cash. If you're paying in the form of check, you write bank account. Okay, so to sundry creditors, suppose for example if it is dishonored, you are going to write here. If you're accepting, you have to write here. Okay, wow. So here how you got this to sundry credit, it is in credit side, go to the debit side, you see here by bills payable dishonored, so you're transferring here to sundry creditor bills payable. Okay, by sundry creditor bills accepted, here to bills payable bills accepted. If it is a debit, you transfer to the credit. If it is a credit, transfer to the debit. That's it. Okay, these two things you're getting from that account. Okay, that means you're going to read only three accounts. Just whether you're getting a cash to balance brought on by balance carried. That's it. Okay, you can see the entire performance. This is how the performance. We'll do one problem so that you do understand that. From the following particulars, calculate total purchases. Same way. Sundry creditors, bills payable, cash paid to creditors, paid for bills payable, cash purchases. Cash purchases you're not going to get here. Purchase written creditors and bills payable. First, let me start. I already said that before we start. So it's a credit balance, right? I started with by balance brought down again to balance carried on. So it will be easy when we write here also. By balance brought down to balance carried on. Here you are going to find out by purchase account, credit purchases. Credit. Okay, credit purchases. So we'll start. Sundry credit date you just check once. So it is opening, this is closing. So sundry creditors. So it's opening, right? Go to the creditors, 75,000. Okay, bills payable, this is also opening, 60,000. Okay, Cash paid to creditors. You are paying to whom? Creditors. Go to the creditors. To cash account. You are paying, right? Paid. What is the amount? 3,70,000. Paid for bills payable. You are going to pay for bills to cash account. Bills paid. So bills paid. Okay, you are paying a cash. How much you are paying a cash? 1 lakh. Okay. Cash purchase you not get. Purchase return. I said you only these two things you are going to get. If it is dishonored only you are going to get here. Okay, so you are going to write here 2 purchase return. Purchase return account. How much your purchase return account? 15,000. Okay. Creditors, this is closing. So go to the creditors. How much? 50,000. Bills payables are closing. 80,000. That's it. Okay. We close. You're getting 1,80,000. From 1,80,000, if you deduct 60,000, you're going to get 1,20,000. So it's nothing but by sundry creditors account. This is bills payable. It's total bills payable. Okay, this sundry creditors you're going to transfer here to bills payable. Bills accepted or bills payable accepted, anything. How much? 1,20,000. Okay, this is 1,20,000. Okay, so take the total now. Okay, so we'll see. When I take this total, you'll get 5,50,000. Here also 5,50,000. From 5,50,000, if you deduct this, you're going to get balancing figure, that is 4,80,000. Okay, so this is we got. So next they asked you to calculate total purchases, that is cash purchases plus credit purchases. This is only we are going to find out credit purchases. So cash purchases already they gave in the question. 3,20,000 plus 5,50,000. How much you are going to get? 8,70,000. Okay, this is how you are going to do. Okay, thank you. If you like the video, you can like, share and subscribe to others. Thank you. For further I'll be uploading more further videos based on accountancy. Okay, thank you.